Dimag kharab. What, Lucky? Lucky! Much problems with Lucky?
She's very naughty. Lucky is so very naughty. Mozzie is so very naughty.
Yeah. Okay. Okay, I'm going. Chill. I'm getting a new pet. So I'm so freaking excited and I'm actually getting late and yeah, we'll just talk in the car. Bye. So the reason why I'm getting a new pet is because if y'all didn't know, I got 2 rabbits. None of y'all care anyways, but I got 2 rabbits like 6 months ago. I made a video about it. You can check it out. I don't know, somewhere here. I'll just link it down. And yeah, one of them, the one that I really loved, Momo, passed away because he was actually weak from the time we bought him. He didn't used to eat. He used to be so, I don't know, he was not like the normal rabbit, you know, the rabbit behavior. In the night, he had loose motion and stuff like that, and I was not taking it so seriously because he had loose motion earlier, but this never happened.
No shit.
So I kept him in a different cage and gave him water and everything, and he was fine, and I was awake till 1. And then I woke up at 6 and then I saw him. He was like dead. I was so depressed. I was like so shocked and I started crying. Oh my god. You know, when I used to see all of these other people, like the love that they have for their pets, and something happens to them, they get so worried, angry or depressed or sad. I used to literally just laugh at these people. I used to be like, how can you get attached to a pet? But oh my god, when I got my own pet, that's when it hit me, and I was literally crying for 10 minutes. Yeah, and then I had to go to work, and my mom, dad and my niece, they buried him. One day I came back home and I saw Momo, Lucky, peed on my bed, ate 3 of my chargers, and literally I was so annoyed that I really wanted to give them for adoption. And a lot of people called me. From that, there was this one lady who was so friendly and really wanted Momo, and you know, Momo is like my favorite. At night, when she said that she wants it, and like she already has a rabbit, and she's quite good with rabbits and she has knowledge about how to take care of rabbits and all that stuff. So I was like, okay, fine, if I'm giving to her, because she knows that because I'm sure that she would take care of Momo better than me. I was sleeping and I then started crying. I'm such a freaking baby. Oh my god, I didn't want to give Momo for adoption. Then I woke up and I was like playing with Momo, and I then messaged her and I said, sorry, I cannot give because my heart is not willing to give. Then she's like, oh, it's okay, I understand, and everything is done. And then Momo passed away, and like I remember I called my husband when Momo passed away, okay, and then I told him, he's not in Dubai by the way. I called him and I was like, Momo died. Like I was crying like an idiot, and he's like, it's okay, fine, no problem, I'll buy for you a new one. Are you kidding me, bro? You'll buy for me a new one? Yeah, anyways. Day before yesterday, he went through Facebook or something, I don't know how he found this. There was one lady who was giving her rabbits for adoption. She has 4 rabbits, from which she was giving 1 for adoption because like her rabbit gave birth and all that stuff. So I was like, I need blah blah. So he was like, okay, fine, go get it from this place she's giving for adoption. So when I checked her DP, it turns out to be the same person who wanted Momo when I was gonna give him for adoption. This world is so small. Let me just reach there and I will show y'all the whole thing. So I'm finally here. That's the house. This rabbit is so cute. Oh my god. Guys, I have no words to say. He is so cute. Like his ears drop. I'll just go home and show y'all how it looks. He's the most cutest thing I've ever seen. Hi there. He is so scared. Can you see him shivering? So, I'm finally home. Time to go, bro. He's so frustrated. You see? You see? I bought for you and you're scared now? Huh?
I need to catch only Lucky.
First you said you're scared of Lucky, now you're scared of Mozaki?
Mozzie is nice.
Oh my god, my heart. Oh my god. Okay, this is fighting. Lucky. I got back home and Lucky and Mozaki is not going well together. They were literally fighting, and I don't know what to do now. Now I have to like waste my 1 week just bonding both of them together. My life. So cute. Oh my god. Look at him, guys. Just look at him. He's so cute.
3 weeks later.
Yesterday they were like fighting, and they were not fine, and this is what I've been seeing since today. Oh my god, guys. Look at him. My mom, guys. So let's fast forward to today, and they're all happy. I mean, they're like lovebirds, literally. Eat together, sleep together, lick each other, groom each other, pee, poo together, do all this, eat wire, pee in the bed, everything together. That love though. You never do that to me. Why?
Look at the beautiful nails. Oh my god. Mosiki is good boy. No. Mosiki, wait. I'll give you snacks afterwards. Shh. Mosiki, no. Mosiki, no. Oh my god, so much fur, Mosiki. I cannot even see your nails. She cannot drive. See, jumping around. So,
Who cannot drive?
the Barbie.
The Barbie? You saying that I cannot drive?
No, there how to take like this. It will be jump.
Yeah, but you just said that I cannot drive.
Nana's driving nice.
Nana's driving nice, but Barbie's driving is not good. Why?
It's nice. It's nice. Both of us nice.
Now abhi maska maro. This whole video was literally about my bunnies. So everyone thinks I'm crazy because I'm so obsessed with my 2 bunnies. I am, okay, because they are the cutest. Isn't Mosiki and Lucky the cutest, is she?
The Mosiki.
Mosiki is the cutest. Okay, she likes Mosiki. She doesn't like Lucky much. A lot of people say that it's a lot of work. Rabbits is a lot of work. It brings bad lucks. All XYZ stuffs I do not believe in. And a lot of work. Yes, it is.
Cauliflower and carrots and broccoli and
Yeah. So they eat all this stuff, and a lot of people have been telling me that how do you even handle rabbits? They poo and pee every places, everywhere. Actually, yes, they do until and unless they are not trained. So if you litter train them. Like,
no, we have done that. Them is very naughty.
I love the rabbits. I mean, if you ever think of getting rabbits, I'll just give you what you should do. Their diet, 90% hay.
The mama died and we bought new rabbits.
Ishi, can I please speak?
Yes.
Okay. And everything. It's a myth that rabbits only eat carrot. That's not the truth. It's not good for rabbits to eat a lot of carrots because that's high in sugar, or I don't know, something in science, but it's not good. In Dubai you can adopt a lot of rabbits. There's so many owners that gets the rabbit and then they realize that it's a lot of work and then they just throw it away or just give for adoption. And once you get it, their diet is hay. 90% of their diet is hay. I'll just put the picture over here. How many percentage of what you have to give them for food over here. So yeah, and water 24/7. A place for them to pee and poop, a litter box. Try to keep them not caged up maximum. They should not be. These animals are not supposed to be caged up. Yes, I know I've kept them in the cage, but that's only when I go out or I'm out of the room or something. Mostly I'm at home. They're always outside. You can even teach them like tricks and all that stuff. They are really smart animals. Do not always try to take them. This is what Ishi does, you know. She always goes back of them and try to touch them and pick them up. Rabbits hates to be picked up, to be honest. Don't hold your bunnies, okay? Let them come, lay down on the floor. If you want to bond with them, lay down on the floor and keep some treats on your body or something, and just don't do anything. Let them come and sniff you and get used to your smell or whatever.
Yes, of course.
Yes, of course. Yeah, you're saying of course, but you're not understanding this whenever I tell her. I hope you guys like this video, enjoyed this video. If you did, subscribe to my channel and hit the notification icon so that you will be notified whenever I post a brand new video. Do follow me on my social media accounts, which is at Shamia Muhammad on Instagram, Shamia Muhammad _ on TikTok. Until then, I will see you next time. Bye bye.
Bye bye. Till next week.
Yeah, we'll see you
Next week.
Yes, we'll see you next week. Bye bye.